Welcome back to Harris Family Adventures. Today we're heading to the family farm in Ellery, Illinois, which is outside of Albion, Illinois, in the middle of nowhere. Traveling with me is my mom, dad, and their two dogs, Cody and Molly. Molly is a St. Bernard that someone abandoned on our farm. Poor Cody is wearing the cone of shame. We believe Molly bit his tail while they were playing around outside, and his tail got infected, and unfortunately he lost half of his tail. Poor guy. This weekend, we are celebrating both my parents' 70th birthday. Leave a comment wishing them happy birthday and give them a like. The main purpose of this trip was to check the farmhouse and make sure there was no damage to the water lines from a recent freeze. While at home, my father discovered that the Nest thermostat at the farm was reading below freezing when the thermostat was set at 60 degrees. My parents traveled to the farm after discovering this and discovered the toilet completely frozen in the tank in the bowl, and the furnace was not working. They fixed the issue with the furnace, but the lines were completely frozen. They left and gave the house time to thaw out. On this trip, we're going to find out what the damage was. When we leave the farm in the wintertime, we always shut the water off at the street so we can eliminate these issues. We arrived at the farm, and Dad turned on the water line, and Mom and I were in the house checking all the water lines to make sure nothing was burst, and we did have some issues. We definitely had some issues to deal with. We had water coming all out of the washer machine. So the washer machine was just leaking water, just pouring out the bottom of it. We had no idea what was going on, but it sounded like the washer was running. And then we had two toilets messed up and a sink that was spraying water as well. We ended up running to town and purchasing a new washer and dryer. And also we bought some parts to fix some of the issues, but we will have to hire a plumber to fix the rest of the issues. Wow, I can't believe this. Our neighbor at the farm recently had their woods logged, and this is the results of a logging. They logged all this. Just leave all their junk there. While on this trip, we decided to test my DJI Osmo Nano. This thing is awesome. I was able to attach it to the back of our side-by-side. I put it to the bumper. I put it on the back of the side-by-side. There were so many different ways to mount this thing, and it was very secure. I thought this was a cool shot. I attached the Nano right above the hitch receiver. We kept stopping to make sure this thing was still attached. This thing did not move. It did a great job.
To fit the cows. The cattle went away, so call the boys. We need to ride and bring them back somehow. The sun is high, it's out, but we got Stetsons. The horses are fast, we enjoy the ride. Oh, yippee-yi-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yo, riding on the prairie. Yippee-yi-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yo, riding and being free. Ooh. Another sunny day here at the ranch. Take a look, you also see the bulls. Oh boy, you don't want to make them angry. Let's ride away, this is how we do. The sun is high, it's up, but we got Stetsons. Horses are fast, we enjoy the ride. Oh, yippee-yi-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yo, riding on the prairie. Yippee-yi-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yo, riding and being free.
I am loving the DJI Osmo Nano. It is such a versatile camera that shoots great video for such a small camera. This was my first time shooting in D-Log-M, and I think I'm convinced this is the only way to film. Thank you for coming along with us. Please like and subscribe to Harris Family Adventures and stay tuned for our next adventure.